Alright, what's up guys? So I am going to the big meet. I will put the flyer right here. I'm on the way there right now. It starts at 6. Right now, an update on the ST, big turbo ST. It is running good right now. It's actually on E30, getting some good revisions from Brian, my tuner. Just waiting to do more logs. I just been working, so I haven't really had the time to do them. But once I do, the tuning will be done, and there'll be more to there will be more to cover on that once it's done, and I'll actually be able to show the car. I know I feel like I make half-ass videos when it comes to that, but that's gonna change hopefully here soon. I know I keep saying that, but we're going to the big meet and it should be pretty good. Also, 2 more updates on the ST. It's about to hit 140,000 miles. I feel like that's a very far milestone. A lot of shit has happened with this car from when I got it at 82,000 miles with the motor and everything like that, because there is a new motor on it. But there's that, and then I got in a small accident and it damaged my door over there, and I'll show that damage as soon as I get parked, once I get to the meet. Damn, well I guess I did a good pull or something. I hit 27 pounds. But yeah, that's just to show some progress with the tuning. I believe it's actually almost done, but I'm not sure until I'm happy with it or until my tuner says it's maxed out. The ST actually sounds really fucking sick. It's just hard to control the torque steer and shift and with one hand, so I'm gonna have to find a mount or something to show the real footage of it. On the way to the meet, found a pre-facelift ST. It's actually red too. That's my favorite fucking color. Hell yeah, I'm just gonna cruise with them, fuck it. Pulling in now. Just started, so looks like there's gonna be a good amount of people. A lot of people are showing up right now. So many empty spots. We got a twin turbo R32 pulled up, and there's still a lot more cars coming in, but damn, this thing is nice. The Skyline GTR. Holy shit. Fanboy status. Look at this fucking GLI right here, dude. It's got the hood dump, big turbo. Fuck, dude, that's clean. Got a white GTR pulling in. There you go. He knows how to drive it.
Like, I mean, it did leave me an opportunity to have my out. I did a great job.
Veloster inline, those are very nice. His license plate says 2020 GTR. Closer view of the GTR. It's leaking something. That's pretty sick. Looks like got another red ST coming in, a bunch more cars pouring in. Mk5 Supra. Looks pretty rare. Man, this car's got the hops on it. Let's see this shit. Oh shit. He bought the right car. This Eclipse looks pretty fucking clean. Damn, he took good care of that. Got the first Cobb rolling in. Right there. This sick little Porsche right here. Now AFK. It's pretty clean. well, hate to say it, but that meet was honestly a bust. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. It'll be way better than this one. So, all right, guys. So that meet yesterday fucking sucked. So we're gonna go to Marietta and go to another one. So see you there. So yeah, me and Trent, we're going to the car meet. Really don't know what to expect. It's in Marietta. I don't live there, but I guess it's always cool not knowing what you're gonna see. Could be another bus like yesterday, or could see some cool shit. But yeah, so we're gonna get there, and until we do, maybe I can even get some pool footage now that I have a filmer here, certified filmer. So here goes nothing. Pull up and there's a 488. Damn, big turbo. Holy shit, dude, this thing's clean too. There's another ST right here. The red calipers on the white paint, that shit looks sick on this MK5. Fucking famous Trent found it. Mk4 right-hand drive Supra. Holy shit, dude. I've never seen a color like that either on one of these.